Here are 7 tips to follow during heavy snowstorms. 1. Stay indoors. Avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary to reduce exposure to cold and potential accidents caused by slippery conditions. 2. Stock up on essentials. Keep an emergency supply of food, water, medications, flashlights, batteries, and blankets in case of power outages or being snowed in. 3. Dress in layers. If you must go outside, wear warm, layered clothing, waterproof boots, gloves, and a hat to prevent hypothermia or frostbite. 4. Avoid driving. Stay off the roads whenever possible. If you must drive, ensure your car has snow tires, a full tank of gas, and emergency supplies like a shovel, ice scraper, and blankets. 5. Keep your home warm. Ensure your heating system is functioning and seal windows or doors to prevent drafts. Avoid using open flames for heating as this can lead to fires or carbon monoxide poisoning. 6. Clear snow safely. Shovel snow carefully to avoid overexertion and sprinkle salt or sand on walkways to prevent ice buildup. 7. Stay informed. Keep a battery-powered radio or use your phone to monitor weather updates and emergency alerts from local authorities.